Hey guys, this is Ashok Kumar Tamburaj, your psychologist from Crack SSB Masterclass. So today's question, how to approach the situation reaction test. In the psychological test, after the TAT and WAT, SRT is the second confirmatory series. In the SRT, the psychologist is looking for certain aspects which are your ability to complete as many responses as possible in the 30 minutes time. On an average, you should be able to complete around 45 to 50 responses in the SRT. Now when we talk about the quality of the responses, the SRT responses should be realistic and it should be logical. Please do not bring any vague responses which don't get any meaning. And then you have to manage your 30 minutes time in such a way you complete as much as you can. The more you write, the more marks you will get. In the SRT responses, your responses should be written in the past tense, which shows that you are doing the test in a confident manner. Any response written in the present tense or the future tense, it shows your lack of confidence. Please do not avoid any response or don't do it randomly. For example, if you are starting the test, you have to write the responses continuously from 1 to 45 or 1 to 50. In between, leaving the responses gives a bad impression where the psychologist may feel that you have avoided the situation after reading it. Some people have the tendency to start the test from the reverse. Whereas your instruction doesn't say anything about whether you should start from the beginning or start from the end, it is always advised to go in the order. If you start from the reverse, sometime it may be taken as some coaching institutes have given you such kind of guidelines. The next aspect is the accuracy of the response. I told you about the quality of the response is important. In that short period of time, writing an appropriate response is expected rather than looking for an accurate response. Even the psychologist can understand no one can write an accurate response in a short span of time. So you try to keep the most appropriate response, then your SRT will be considered as a good SRT. I hope you understood something from this video about the SRT. Please forward this video to your friends so that they can also benefit from this. Thank you.